Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Guru. Now this is number system lecture 4. In number system lecture 3 we have done up to the point number 9. Now the point number 10. The point number 10 is what? Even number. So let us see which type of questions comes in aptitude from the even number. So at first we have to know what is even number. So any number which is divisible by 2 is called what? That is even number. So even number is what? Just like 0, 2, 4, 6, that, right? So any number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. So 0 is divisible by every number. So it is divisible by 2 also. So this is also treated as even number. But when we comes to the natural even number, then first natural even number is what? Only 2, not 0, because 0 is not a natural number. So if the question is even number only, you can write 0, 2, 4, 6. But if the question is even natural number, then we will write only 2, 4, 6 up to this. Okay. Now see, there is some important question from this. So this is first point, that is sum of all even number from 1 to n. Okay. Or same question in mathematical form we can write find 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to n. So both question is what? Same. Here in language sum of all even number from 1 to n. And same question here, find sum of 2, 4, 6, 8 up to n, where n is what? Even, because the series is going like even. So simple technique is what for this type of question? So technique is what? Half this number, that is n by 2, and multiply next number, that is n by 2 multiply n by 2 plus 1. So here also same technique, n by 2 multiply n by 2 plus 1. So if the question sum of all even number from 1 to 8, just check last number. Last number should be even number. So n by 2 half number and multiply next number. See example. Just like this is a simple question, that is find sum of all even number from 1 to 10. Find sum of all even number from 1 to 10. So first I am solving this question by the basic method. So we have to find sum of all even number from 1 to 10. So 1 to 10, what is even number? First even number is 2, second 4, then 6, then 8, and then 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are the even number from 1 to 10. So what is the sum of this number? You can add this number, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, and this is 10, 30. So sum of this number is 30, so our answer is 30. Now I am solving the same question by a simple trick. So trick is what? Last number half multiply last number half plus 1. So here n, that is last number is what? 10. Here last number is what? 10. So just apply this technique. So this is 10 by 2 into 10 by 2 plus 1. So this is 5 into 6. So our correct answer is what? 30. So here we solve this question by basic, 30 answer. Here by trick, 30 answer. So both answer is correct. But again the same thing in aptitude exam, the question will be not up to the 10. Question will be up to 100, up to 200, up to 500, any line number given. So no problem, we can solve very easily with our trick. So see one more example. So suppose your question is find sum of all even number and from 1 to 100. Find the sum of all even number from 1 to 100. So we are solving this question by our simple technique. So last number is n, 100. So technique is what? 100 by 2 and multiply 100 by 2 plus 1. So this is what? 2, 5s are 10, 50, and again here 50. So this is what? 50 into 50. So when we are multiplying 50 and 51. So simple technique is what? Just multiply 51 by 5 and then put 1 0. So here 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25 and 1 0. So our correct answer is what? 2550 is our right answer. So if we solve this question by basic, it will take a lot of time. You have to write what? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to 100. It will take a lot of time. Technique is simple. 100. So half is what? 50. So just multiply 50 to 51. You can write. You can get your correct answer. Okay. So this is the first technique for even number. Now I am explaining the next technique. See. So next point is what? That is sum of first and even number. Sum of first and even number. So this is the technique for even number. You find the sum of first and even number. So if there is a question sum of first and even number, then simple technique is what? N multiply n plus 1. So whatever is given, just multiply that number by the next number. You will get your correct answer. See example. Just like find sum of first 6 even number. So we are taking simple example so that we can solve this question by both methods. So question is what? Find sum of first 6 even number. Okay. So 1, 2, 6 and 6 both are different question. So find sum of first 6 even number. So first we are explaining by basic. So basic is what? First 6 even number, that means first is 2 and second is what? That is 4. And then second is what? 6 and then 8 and then 10 and then 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now we have written how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the first 6 even number. So it is not written here is sum of first 6 whole even number. If it is written whole number, we have to take 0 also. But here whole number is not given, we are taking only natural number. So natural number first even number is what? Only 2. So we have started from 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now add this number, we will get our correct answer. So this is 2 plus 0, 2 plus 8, 10 and 6, 16 and 4, 20, that is 22. Now carry 2. So 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 1, 4. So this is what? 42. Now I am solving the same question by the tricky approach. So tricky approach is what? If we have to find sum of the first and even number, then simply multiply the given number by the next number. So here my question first 6 even number. So just multiply 6 to 7. You will get to what? 6 7 ja 42. This is our correct answer. Okay. But again the same thing in aptitude. If there is a question, it will not simple like only first 6 even number. It will be like 100 even number, 500 even number. So we cannot solve this question easily by our basic method. So we need trick for this type of question. So now see the other example. Just like find sum of first, suppose it is given first 100 even number. So find the sum of first 100 even number. So if we solve this question by basic, we have to write 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to 100. Up to not 100, we will count. 2 is 1, 4 is second, and 6 is 3, 8 is 4. Like we have to write 100 even number. Okay, it will go up to 200. Okay, so very lengthy. Now our trick is what? Trick is simple. This is given 100 even number. So just multiply this 100 to next number. That is 101. And 101 into 100, very simple. 101 and 20. So this is our correct answer. So in this way we can solve any even number question with a very simple technique very easily.